There's no joy in the world that can make us forget Yerushalayim. For 2,000 years, whenever we daven all the time, directing our tears and our feet and our thoughts to Yerushalayim. You would have stopped and leaned on the way to the gas chambers, and you would have asked them, hey, Legidele, what are you thinking about? And you would have answered, I'm thinking about Yerushalayim. I'm on my way. To Yerushalayim. You would have stopped the chos and kal on the way to the chuppah, or you would have asked them, hey, liga chosim, hey, liga kala, what are you thinking about? They would have answered, we're thinking about Yerushalayim. Yerushalayim, tishkach, tishkach, tishkach yemini, im eshkochei. Yerushalayim, tishkach, tishkach, tishkach yemini, im eshkochei.